Morning, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. So we are back fishing again after a bit of a pause. I must apologize about the pause, but I was a bit busy. But we're out again, or we are back out now, so let's hope we can keep up. So we are today fishing at my predator fly fishing club stretch. Probably the name tells you that it's fly fishing only. There's no lures, no dead baiting, nothing other than fly fishing in here on this particular stretch. I won't tell you where it is, and I won't even say the river, because if I tell you the river, you'll probably find it. It's not easy, it's not hard to find. But yeah, so today I'm gonna use something a bit natural for a start. If nothing's gonna happen and nothing's gonna be interested in this, we'll change over to my secret weapon. But today I'm using my Gray's GRXI fly rod in 8 and 9 weight, paired with Gray's GX500 fly reel, airflow fly line in clear intermediate, well, green-ish. I've not cleaned it for a while, but yeah, so it goes to about 6 foot of leader, which is 35-pound fluoro, and then it goes to about 45 centimeters, or well, we'll say a foot of pike wire, so we don't lose my fluffy things here, my fluffy friends. But anyway, well, let's talk more fishing. Let's go, let's have a look at the stretch. It's quite windy, so it might be a bit challenging. I got a second rod in the car just in case something happens to this, or I can't deliver the flies far enough to where I want them to be because of wind. I got a heavier rod, heavier line in the car. But other than that, let's talk more fishing. Let's go. Yeah, well, looking at the stretch, it's moving. Turn you around so now you can see. So it's not as colored as I was thinking it's gonna be. It is colored, but not as bad. But wind's pushing into us, which makes it a bit difficult to cast, but we'll figure something out. So might be a backcast required all day, which is gonna absolutely kill my arms. But well, we wanted it. Well, I wanted it, and I wanted to show you that feather chucking can be fun. And yeah, last year on this particular stretch, my best is 11 pike and lost 3, so potentially 14 pike, because I did not set the hook, or they just didn't grab it confidently enough to get hooked. But yeah, it was good fun. So back this season, sorry, to yeah, see, maybe we can break that record. We only got about 5.5 hours or 5 hours, and then I need to get home. We'll try out here for a start, and then if it's decent and everything, and I can deliver the fly to where I want to be. As I said, the wind's pushing in as well as to my left, so and I'm right-handed, so that means that the fly is gonna come every time I'm casting. The fly is gonna come into my face, so I might need to use a backcast, but we'll see how that goes. And I just want to try the rod and the line to see maybe if I need to upgrade it to heavier equipment or heavier setup. But for now, let's go. Oh. What? Caught the first one. Vegan fish. Well, it's only tiny, but hope you can see it. It's not gonna be too bad with this setup, I hope. Oh, I can see the visibility is decent. Yeah, it's not too bad. Yeah, it's gonna be alright.
Years later.
Well, I think that looks very good for a bite on the other side. So what we will do is we will start here. No messing about. So we've got plenty of water to cover. So let's go. Oh yes. First one is a decent as well. I knew it had to be a fish. It's a decent fish as well. It's not bad. Come on. Let's tire you out. Oh yeah, it's a nice, fat, healthy looking fish. Woo-wee. Come on, let's guide you in. Yeah, you're a good, decent pike. Oh, nice. Right, big mama, give me my fly back. I sort of knew that the natural is gonna work somewhere in the... Yes, I know. Oh, Jesus. Look at that, she's taken so confidently. That is very deep. 91. Oh yeah, 91 and a half, but 91 anyway. Well, 91 centimeter pike, so we'll give her plenty of rest and we'll set her free. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Well, there you have it. So first fish of the day. A very promising start. I think she missed the first time she took, where I couldn't understand, is it the take or is it something else? But yeah, well, I'm super pleased, I'm super happy, as you probably can tell. Even if it's if this is the only fish we catch today, I'm over the moon already. So yeah, super pleased. Let's go, let's catch another one. Hopefully we'll catch another one. I'm tempted to go upstream. Oh, just missed. Come on, take it again. Jesus Christ, that scared me. And of course she let go. Jesus. She is 59 centimeter pike. Oh, just a baby, but nevertheless very welcome. So yeah, we'll get her back. She's still plenty of power in her, plenty of energy. And we'll get her back and set her free. Cause lost another one. Freaking ridiculous. Finally. Finally she grabbed it properly. Okay, Mrs. Pike. Oh, she's not bad. So this is our third pike. And, I reckon she's 8, maybe 10 pounds tops, but certainly very fat and looks very healthy. And the hook's just in a scissor, so perfect. Well, let's have a quick look at her, and yeah, we'll give her a quick measurement. Alright, so on the 0, 84, 85, 84. So yeah, 84 centimeter pike. Perfect. Right, so we're back at the car, and yeah, so we had 3, lost a couple, so basically we know where all the pike is. But yeah, well, fairly productive day. I think I would have landed all of them if I had my hook sharpener with me. Yeah, quite tired, a bit of a headache, probably because I didn't drink anything and because I didn't bring anything with me while I had water in the car and stuff, but just too excited to go fishing. But anyway, so like I said, we had 3, we had fun. but we're definitely going to be back just for our fun. But anyway, just getting into too much details now, so what can I say? Let's talk in more driving. We've got about an hour and a half drive home now. I'll see you in the next one.